Welcome to the Outdoors with Rich, where our videos involve our family adventures. We're the Strell family, based out of Tampa, Florida. If it's related to the outdoors, we've likely either experienced it or it's on our list of things to do or places to go.
We're up here in the Steinhatchee River, just cruising around for a few minutes.
Our sleeping arrangements vary from hotel stays to a hammock strung between two trees in the middle of nowhere. If God created it, we want to experience it and bring you along. Our mission is to inspire you to adventure
Pour that
more.
in there. Do is push it around. Campfire apple crisp. All right, you guys ready to go camping?
Yes, sir. Let's roll.